Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sharing Simple Knowledge. Today we are going to discuss about present continuous tense or progressive tense and its applicability in OET also. So first of all, the present continuous tense means the action is ongoing at the time of speaking and the action is not completed. Let's see one example. She is writing notes. So the action is ongoing when we are talking. So what's the format? Subject plus am, is or are plus ing verb, form of the verb. Example, he is working, they are doing. Then I'm doing something means I started doing it and I haven't finished. I am in the middle of doing it. So we can ask, how is your new job? Are you enjoying it? Sometimes the action is not happening at the time of speaking. For example, John is talking to a friend on the phone and he says, I'm reading a really good book at the moment. But it doesn't mean he is reading the book at the time of speaking. He just means that he has started reading the book but has not finished it. He is in the middle of reading it. Then another example, Kate wants to work in Italy. So she is learning Italian, but perhaps she isn't learning Italian at the time of speaking. I think it's clear for you because even though they are mentioning, they are not doing at the time. Then what is the other use? You can use the present continuous with today, this week, this year, etc. Period around now or temporary situation. The things that continue for a short period. Let's see one example. You are working hard today. We never use you work hard today. The following verbs are not normally used in the present continuous, like want, need, prefer. So we use only these tenses in the simple present. We can see one example. Do you understand what I mean? We are not asking, do you understanding? Are you understanding what I mean? So we can use only these two verbs in the simple present. We use the present continuous when we talk about a change that has started to happen. We often use these verbs in this way. Getting, becoming, starting, beginning, changing, improving, increasing, rising, falling, growing. Example, is your English getting better? Not, does your English get better? Then another example, the population of the world is increasing very fast, not increases. You can say he is being, you are being, etc. to say how somebody is behaving now. I can't understand why he is being so selfish. He isn't usually like that. So in that way we can use. Then let's see the application in OET writing. Can use to explain current condition. Example, currently she is making good progress. And as a voice we can use she is being discharged today. Usually in the introduction we are writing she or he is being discharged today if they are discharging today. Then let's look in for the OET speaking. How are you feeling today? Are you experiencing any other symptoms? These are one of the examples. I believe it's clear for you and you were able to gain some knowledge from this one. Thank you very much for supporting me. Thank you. Bye.